Hi everybody, it's Rachel, founder of B&N Laundry, and we thought today we would do a quick video to show you how to use our famous stain stick. So if you've been using the B&N Laundry Goat Milk Soap half felted stain stick for a while, you're good, you know how to use it. But if you're a new customer, now's a great time for you to learn how to use our stain stick. What you're going to do is you're going to take your stain. You can add water directly to the garment or item with stain on it, or you can just get your entire stain stick wet. Remember, the entire stain stick needs to be wet, and there's no such thing as getting it too wet. So I just run it under the water for a couple of seconds, take it out, and if it's a very fragile garment, I'm going to use the unfelted side only, but I almost always use the unfelted side first. Rub in the soap into the stain, then I turn it over and use the felted side to scrub that stain out. And what you'll notice right away is it's really sudsing up. The wool acts as a natural built-in scrub brush, so you're not having to use two separate products. Oftentimes people will use a spray stain remover and then they'll use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, or some kind of scrub brush to scrub it in, because agitation is the key to stain removal. You want to pull that stain up. So here you have a all-natural wool built-in scrub brush. I believe that this particular stain is hot Cheetos, according to the person who brought it to me. So I'm gonna give it an extra scrub. Now you have two options. I have a stain down here that's already pretty much come out. This one down here. So if it was just that stain, I would go ahead and immediately throw it into the wash. But this top stain is a little bit tougher. I think it might be a mix of hot Cheeto and lipstick. And so I'm going to let the soap sit for about 10 to 20 minutes before I throw it into the wash. And so just like you would with another stain remover, you throw it in, wash it normally as you would. All right, so once again, get your entire stain stick wet. There's no such thing as too wet. Use your unfelted side first, flip it over, and use your built-in scrub brush. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, throw it in the wash. Happy laundering.